Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the best place for unboxing, product review, home decor and more. In this video you are gonna enjoy my unboxing for my first ever Chanel bag. I'm gonna tell you why I picked this bag and you're gonna see which bag I pick. I'm gonna start showing you this bag. And it's this one right here. I'm gonna get it out. And I'm gonna use this bag as a support little table. So they pack it very nice, and this is the bag, plastic bag, and it have this little string making like a plastic dust bag. I purchased it in New York and they send it by mail because I save a few hundreds on taxes. So this is how beautiful they wrap it right here. With the camellia. Okay, why I picked this bag? I picked this bag because I went to New York with all the rumors that they're gonna get the price up of the bags and all that. I say this is my opportunity, why never ever in my whole life I'm gonna be able to get anything from Chanel, any bag from Chanel. So I want to have my first experience in the boutique. So I went there with a wallet on change on mind. And I decided to look at it. The essay, very nice person. He showed me different one that they have. Most of them they was in lambskin, and I wanted codfish, like what they call caviar, and they was very simple. They very small, and they very pricey, like very expensive, but very small. So you could barely put something in there. And I noticed the one that they have, you could barely see the CC logo, because they have like a golden plate, and then on top of the plate is the CC, which blend with that plate, and you can see the logo. So I didn't want that. I was very, disappointed, but I was straightforward with the essay. I say, listen, I don't have a lot of money to spare. I've really put together the most I could to get a bag because the price is going up, and I really don't see myself paying this amount of money for a wallet on change, and I can't do anything with it. It's too small, and I feel like I didn't gonna have my money worth on that. So he was very nice. He brought us downstairs after, I think in the second floor where they had the wallet on change. He brought us downstairs, or and he showed me a few other bags, which it was close. It was like a little bit different with the price of the wallet on change, but it was worth it, and the difference wasn't that huge. Which the difference was that you was getting more bag for the price than what you was getting with the wallet on change. So he showed me a few options, and I went with this one, which I think is amazing. And I think the wallet on change, definitely the price wasn't, I don't know, for somebody, for the first one, I wanted something that I could use for everything possible. Something that I can use casual, something if I can use more dressing, and I feel like this is it, and it's Caviar. So I'm going to show you guys. This is how he wrapped it right there in front of us. So I was able to look at there, but I was so excited. I had to make another video with about my experience in the boutique, because it's a lot of stuff to talk about it, a lot of stuff that I would like to tell you guys. But I was overwhelmed with everything. So I look at the back, I try at the back, but I don't even remember. So I should have taken more pictures, but I totally, in that moment, I wasn't even thinking, okay? But I think it's worth it, and it's a one-time chance. I don't think ever in my life I'm gonna be able to afford any other bag from Chanel. Hopefully, maybe, I hope one day, but especially the classic is crazy price. So I'm gonna show you guys. So this is it. I'm so excited. So excuse my craziness, but I'm so excited. This is something that for real I was dreaming about it forever, like for over 10 years. And I thought in my life, at that point in my life, that this was so like a simple a dream, and I will never be able to even touch one of these. But you know, we sacrifice, we hard work, your dream can come true. So believe that. Here it is, and it's a kind of like magnetic bags. So I'm gonna open, and this is it. This is what I have right here. Wow, this is very pretty, heavy duty, right? Very nice. Okay. This is the bag. I just love this one. So this is the bag. Look at this. This is it. This is the flap bag with handle in black, caviar with gold hardware, flap bag with top handle right here. I'm gonna show you, and this is the medium size. It had this big space right here. And you're able to open it there if you want to make it bigger. Open it here. So this is it. Oof. And I love it too because it has a big CC logo, which I love it so much. I mean, you're gonna pay for something, mine's where even for you to see the logo, right? So this is it. So I think, like I said, this is the medium size. Is one just like this but smaller, which I wasn't happy about it because I think this shape of the shape of this bag don't go with the smaller size. The smaller size look like too bulky, out of shape. I don't know, just because I guess the design it don't match well with the small size. So there you can see this is the handle. You can grab it through here, which is very chic and nice for like a more dressing for more day out or night out. And we have here, let me show you, turn. I love that have this front pocket right here with the zipper, and look at the zipper, so cute. It have the diamond shape of the classic Chanel design and have the Chanel logo over here on the top of the zipper. So you open the zipper and it's a pretty big space right there in a burgundy color. So this is the space. I think it's really big a space. You can fit a wallet, Chanel maybe classic wallet right there, or card holder. Let me close it. I like that. So it's extra zipper for more secure. It comes with this one for some protection too. This is the strap here, which I love because I'm gonna show you now, guys. It fit perfect as a crossbody, and I like in the way it hang, and the label is on my hip, and on there. Oh, very quick, this over here, I don't know if you guys can see it. It says Chanel. We have a pocket right here. We have a zipper pocket right there too. Let me see. Oh, it comes with the authentication card. Authenticate. The authenticity card. I'm gonna put it back in. And this is the space that I have right there, which I think is pretty big. And like I said, that small pocket here too. And something very nice. Let me close it. Something very nice too. Look at this. I love the strap. I love it. It's just that classic change with the leather in the inside. So as in my first ever bag, I pick the leather Caviar because it's more durable for what I wanted. I wanted for everything possible. I want to use it. I don't want to baby this bag. Of course I'm going to take care of, but I want to use it. And I hope I can pass it on to my daughter in the future. You know, this is my first ever, and I really like it. And something else that I love is this. It has feet, which is pretty nice. And I'm looking right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but seems pretty good. Hopefully it's not affecting, you know. It's very pretty. Beautiful. I know they have it in pink like that too. People going a lot for the pink, but as my first and only Chanel bag so far, I prefer like black to use it for every occasion and everywhere. So I like it. It's very chic. The hanger or the strap is not detachable, so it's permanent. but you saw it before. I can just turn it around like that and put it in the inside and it worked perfect. Also, let me put it right here and extend that very nice, so that's good. It comes with this, let me see what it is. And with this. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's so nice. Look, is this book, I guess, the care package. It comes with this. What is this? And a note, I guess. No, just this. I don't know what is this for, but it's like a little dust bag, but that's cute. Let me know down below if you enjoy this kind of videos and if you like videos like this. So this is how it look. This is how it look right now. So the only bad thing that I can put my hand in between, I just had to do it like this. But if I put a crossbody, I think it gets very nice. I just love it. This is perfect because I put the strap in the inside a little bit, and then like this, I can just do it like that. So this handler, I can grab it like this. I can hold it like this if I would like to, but for the arm, I feel like it look more chic. I just double up, put it inside the part with the leather, and then it's gonna hang these two straps like that, and it's perfect for over here. Yes, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I just love it. Yes, let me know guys what you think about it. I love this packet right here. I mean, it don't seem like it seems very tight. You don't see like a lot can go there, but other ones have very small one coming like this, but this one I like is the whole bag literally. So it gives you a little bit more room for something small to get in there. I just love it. It's not like gold, it's like a more like champagne gold. I mean, it's gold but very light. It's not like super light in your face gold. So I love it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this bag. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. Bye.